A very good morning, children. Welcome to the cytology classroom. I hope you all are studying very well and you all are doing your work with an honesty. Children, we are studying the psychology and give importance to every subject. Every subjects are important for you to gain the good marks and overall your board results will matter. Secondly, when we talk about this particular subject, you have to work very hard and you have to revise the topic, see the video, make your concepts clear, ask to your teachers whenever you find any difficulty. In this subject, the first chapter we have completed. We are discussing the chapter second, which is the self and personality. When we talk about this chapter, self and personality, we have covered the concept of self in a very well manner. Now, we are focusing on the personality topic, where we have discussed about the concept of personality and we have discussed about different approaches to the study of personality. Now, what we have to discuss, lastly in the last video we are discussing about the assessment of personality. How we assess the person's personality, how we measure it. So we get to understand that there are three main techniques which can be used to assess the person's personality. The first one is self-report technique, the second is projective technique, and the third is behavioral analysis. Self-report technique I have discussed with you, which include the three kinds: MMPI, APQ and 16PM. I also discussed with you what are the advantages and disadvantages of this particular technique. We have started the discussion about the projective technique, which I said to you all that it is an indirect technique of personality assessment. The most of the description I have given in the previous video. Now today we are discussing about what are the different kinds of projective technique. First is Rorschach's in-blot test. This is the first. Second, thematic perception test. Third, Rosenwing picture frustration study. Which is in short form somewhere written as P/F, P-F, picture frustration study. Fourth is draw a person test. is, are you able to see it here, up to here? Okay. Fifth is sentence completion test. So overall, children, these 5 projected techniques are there which we have to discuss in our video of today. I want from you all to note it down in your copy. One by one, we are going to discuss about each one of them. Rorschach's, thematic, Rosenwing, draw person, sentence. So one by one we will discuss, children. Okay. So first we will discuss about the Rorschach's. In this particular name, the word is written Rorschach. Okay, so this is a projective technique which were obviously its name indicates so many things. Are you getting what I am trying to say? दोनों ही वर्ड हैं जो इसमें बता रहे हैं, इसके बारे में काफी डिस्क्रिप्शन दे रहे हैं. Like first one is given Rorschach, so it is a test, it is a technique which was developed by Hermann Rorschach. It is a technique which was developed by Hermann Rorschach. And here we use the ink blot. And that is why it is named as Rorschach's ink blot test. Ink blots का हम लोग यूज करते हैं. Basically, what is happening in this technique? The researcher take a piece of paper and then they randomly drop ink and then they fold that paper. And whatever the image will drop on the paper, we will show it to the subject. And the subject will do the interpretation of it. Okay, we asked to the subject that what you see in this particular picture, what do you find it out? So this is a question which we used to ask. And in this type of ink blots, there were total 10 cards. 10 cards होते हैं इसमें. Out of which 5 of them are black and white. 5 जो होते हैं black and white में होते हैं. 5 of them are black and white. 3 of them are in red color. And 2 of them are in pastel color. ठीक है. 5 जो कार्ड्स होते हैं वो पूरे प्योरली ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट में होते हैं. 3 आपको रेड कलर में दिखेंगे और 2 होते हैं पेस्टल कलर्स में रहते हैं. डिफरेंट और भी 1-2 देयर वर सम ऐड ऑन ऑफ 1 or 2 कलर. सो दिस इज द 10 कार्ड्स वर देयर एंड दिस इज द डिस्क्रिप्शन. 7x10 साइज होता है. साइज जो होती है 7x10 की होती है उस कार्ड्स की पर कार्ड्स. हर्मन रोशास ने इसे दिया है. हर्मन रोशास एक स्विस साइकोलॉजिस्ट हैं. स्विस मीन्स स्विट्जरलैंड से बिलोंग करते हैं. स्विस साइकोलॉजिस्ट हैं. ठीक है. इन प्लॉट्स 10 कार्ड. ओके. नाउ प्लीज नोट डाउन दिस इन योर कॉपी. आगे बढ़े. आई होप आपने से नोट डाउन कर लिया होगा. सबसे पहली बात, इसमें 2 फेजेस आते हैं. it talks about the two phases. First one is performance proper, and second is inquiry. Performance proper and inquiry. ठीक है, आगे बढ़े. क्या होता है इसमें? Performance proper, this is the first phase. In this we simply show that card to the subject and ask them what they see in that thing. कुछ अनएम्बिग्यूअस पिक्चर्स होते हैं, अनस्ट्रक्चर्ड होते हैं, कुछ भी पिक्चर बना होता है. जैसे सपोज ये अगर कार्ड है तो कुछ भी ड्राइंग रहती है, ठीक है, क्योंकि वो व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, वी आर ड्रॉपिंग अ इंक एंड देन फोल्डिंग अ पेपर, सो इट कैन ड्रॉ एनी ऑफ द इमेजेस, और उससे रिलेटेड हम पूछते हैं कि व्हाट यू सी. तो परफॉर्मेंस प्रॉपर इज द स्टेज वेयर वी आस्क द सब्जेक्ट व्हाट यू आर सीइंग इन द पिक्चर, बट इन द इंक्वायरी फेज वी गो इन डिटेल. दिस इज अ डिटेल फेज. दिस इज अ डिटेल फेज. ठीक है, हम लोग डिटेल में जाते हैं. डिटेल में जाने का मतलब होता है कि जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल ओवरऑल यू हैव टू आस्क इट, so that come under the performance phase. But when you go into the minute detail, like what you are seeing in the left side of the page, what you are seeing in the middle of the page, so that one is an inquiry phase. So this is all about which I had discussed with you is an administration. In this way you will administer the this particular technique or test on the subject, and in this type of way you will give the instruction to the subject. ठीक है, ये हो गया. नाउ व्हेन द सब्जेक्ट रिपोर्ट मुझे ये दिख रहा है, या आई हैव सी द बर्ड इज फ्लाइंग, आई कैन सी अ पैलेस ओवर हियर. तो वॉट एवर हियर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट इज दैट इन दिस पर्टिकुलर टेस्ट, द वॉट एवर the subject is reported in the same manner you have to write it down or note it down. जिस तरीके से भी सब्जेक्ट ने बताया है, जो भी बताया है, एज इट इज टू द पॉइंट, उसी की लैंग्वेज में आपको लिखना होगा उसे. ठीक है. अब आफ्टर द एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन पार्ट ओवर, इंस्ट्रक्शन पार्ट ओवर, नाउ कम द स्कोरिंग एंड इंटरप्रिटेशन. It has been found that the scoring and interpretation of this particular test is very lengthy and it required a proper training on the part of the researcher. ठीक है. हो गया. Please note down these two phases in your copy. Okay, performance proper, inquiry phase. Now, so this is all about the Rorschach's inkblot test. I hope this technique is understandable to you, and by the use of this technique we elaborate the someone's personality. Basically these two phases are important. Whatever the response was given by the subject, that matters a lot. Okay, कंटिन्यू आगे बढ़ेंगे. वी आर मूव टू द नेक्स्ट टेक्निक, नेक्स्ट प्रोजेक्टिव टेक्निक, विच इज अ थीमेटिक अपरसेप्शन टेस्ट. Here again, this particular test is also revealing so many things about this technique. The first word is thematic. Obviously, it will emerge from the word theme. So here again we made a theme, thematic. ठीक है, हम लोग themes बनाते हैं and themes is related to the story. So in this and second is perception. Okay, it is a technique which is given by Morgan and Murray. ठीक है, it is a technique which is given by Morgan and Murray. It includes 31 cards. 31 कार्ड्स होते हैं. द लास्ट जो 1 कार्ड होता है वो ब्लैंक होता है. दैट वाज अ ब्लैंक कार्ड. ओके, what is basically done in this particular test, it is also one of the projective technique where the subject doesn't know that they are going to be assessed and their personality is going to be assessed. In this test, again the stimulus is unstructured because here we are again using some cards, but in this card some picture was made. Okay, and what the subject have to do, they have to be given instruction to the subject that I will show this particular card for 1 second and then I will give you the 2 minutes for writing a story on that particular card. सब्जेक्ट को करना क्या होता है, सब्जेक्ट को उस कार्ड पे एक स्टोरी लिखनी होती है. दे हैव टू राइट अ स्टोरी बट दे हैव टू गिव द डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ द दैट पास्ट, प्रेजेंट एंड फ्यूचर. ओके, दिस इज अ इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट. स्टोरी लिखनी होती है बट उसमें पास्ट, प्रेजेंट और फ्यूचर का ध्यान देना होता है. Subject had to tell by seeing that particular picture that in that particular picture what do you think, what was happening in the past, what was going now and what will happen in the future. They had to give the description of their past, present and future event. In this way the subject had to write a story on that all 31 cards. Here, when subject completed his or her work, now our work is to do the interpretation which subject has written over. So many things revealed by that one also. Okay. So this is also a very good technique, thematic perception test. I want from you all to note it down what are the top pinpoints I have written over here. आगे बढ़ेंगे. So the two projective techniques I discussed with you. Now the third is draw a person test. It is a very easy technique to administer also and not so difficult for the scoring and interpretation. Scoring और interpretation के लिए इतना difficult नहीं है. इसे draw a man भी test भी कहते हैं. आप person ना कहते इसको draw a man test. Somewhere it is written like in some books it has been found that draw a man test was written. So you don't get confused कि क्या यही सेम है. Okay. Now it is found to be very interesting also on the part of the subject. Like subject को we provide a sheet of paper and ask them to draw a picture of a man. Whatever time it is not time bounded, so make the subject free to draw anything or in any way. And do not make him or her bounded with the time. Okay. So whatever the picture will drawn by the subject, Now it is the work of the psychologist and the researcher who will do the interpretation. And very interesting fact about the draw a person test is that whatever the picture was drawn by the subject and in whatever manner, we make an interpretation of each and everything. We make an interpretation of like whether they have drawn their eyes or not, highlights or not, forehead, everything, the each and every aspect of the body, whatever was drawn by the subject was interpreted. That also tells so many things about the person's personality. Just for example, it has been found that if any person made that particular picture and they अगर किसी ने जो भी picture बनाया है उस man का और उस person का, उसका अगर उसने head बहुत ही बड़ा रखा है, the head is more big in proportion to the other part of the body, so it shows that somewhere the person is suffering from the headache problem or any kind of brain disease. So in this way, every part of the body has their own interpretation, and it was written over in their manual, and the researcher will do the story and interpretation and then tell the subject about their personality. So draw a person test was there, Rorschach's inkblot test was there, thematic apperception test was there. Okay, now fourth, sentence completion test. All आप देख रहे हैं बच्चों, all the tests are here the stimulus are unstructured. ठीक है, कुछ भी नहीं है, unclear है, unambiguous है. जैसे आप देख सकते हैं रोशास में भी इनब्लॉट्स दिखा रहे हैं, कुछ नहीं है. थीमेटिक में स्टोरी बनाने को कह रहे हैं. तो these all activity the subject will find it interesting also. अच्छा, one more important good advantage of projected technique. Here the subject doesn't get bored. Subject find it interesting because these are the things which we do in the childhood also ना. बचपन में भी ऐसा कभी कभी देखा है, कोई पिक्चर स्टोरी पिक्चर्स दिखाए जाते थे, टीचर्स पिक्चर्स दिखाते थे, बोलते थे स्टोरी लिखो और इसमें ढूंढो ये क्या है. इस तरीके की एक्टिविटीज, दीज आर सम ऑफ द ब्रेन स्टॉर्मिंग एंड इंटरेस्टिंग एक्टिविटी विच आवर ब्रेन ऑलवेज वांट टू डू. सो ये हमें इंटरेस्टिंग लगता है तो इसे हम करते भी हैं. बट जो सेल्फ रिपोर्ट होते हैं, समवेयर द स्टेटमेंट्स वर गिवन एंड द क्वेश्चंस वर गिवन विच वी फाइंड बोर्ड ऑल्सो एंड fatigue also in order to fill up each and every questions. So this is in I can say that in every aspect the projected technique is found to be very good. But obviously every technique has some merits and demerit. So this technique is also having a demerit. What is the demerit? The demerit is it's very in storing and interpretation is very much lengthy. Okay, it very much required that the person should be trained and experienced. Otherwise, it will create a problem. Okay, or non-experienced, please don't do such use of technique, because if you do any kind of wrong interpretation, so that will definitely hamper the person's personality. Okay, continue forward. Sentence completion test. Now what is in the sentence completion test? Draw a person test, draw a man test, sentence completion test. Name indicated that we have to complete the sentence. Incomplete sentences were provided to the subject and the subject had to complete it. For example, my father is डैश, इस तरीके से इनकम्प्लीट सेंटेंस दे दिया. माई मदर लाइक्स मी टू डू डैश. सो इस तरीके से इन दिस वे सम ऑफ द सेंटेंसेस वर गिवन एंड द सब्जेक्ट हैव टू फिल दैट सेंटेंस. I want from you all to note down these examples in your notebook. चलो, आई होप ये सारी चीज़ें आपको समझ में। सो आगे बढ़ते हैं। इसके बाद हमारा लास्ट प्रोजेक्टेड टेक्निक जो हमें डिस्कस करना है, the last projected technique which we have to discuss is Rosenwing picture frustration study. Rosenwing picture frustration study. Rosenwing picture frustration study, again this name is also indicating so many things. It is given by Rosenwing. On his name this particular technique was named. Okay. So Rosenwing have given this study. Now picture frustration. Again in this also the use of pictures were done. The researcher used the picture, but what kind of picture was shown? This is very important. Like in thematic perception, some kind of drawing, some kind of stories, pictures were made. And Herman Rocha's in-blots were there. But what kind of this? In this some cartoonist pictures were there. Have you seen the newspaper when the Times of News India में आप देखोगे कुछ cartoonist पे some kind of like comic की तरह stories form होते हैं on the basis of their different cartoons. So what happened? So such kind of picture was shown to the subject, and in that picture what is happened, the one person is frustrating the other person, and इस तरीके की कुछ कॉमिक्स एंड कार्टूनिस्ट पिक्चर्स होते हैं जो हम सब्जेक्ट को शो करते हैं, एंड नाउ वी सी द फ्रस्ट्रेशन लेवल ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट in order to see that this technique is found to be somewhere specific. So Rosenwing picture frustration study is in this by the use of some cartoonist picture. What is there, the one is frustrating the other person. Frustrating means doing some annoying things, making them angry, making them outburst, and other person is doing whatever the reaction was making. So by seeing the picture, by showing this picture to the subject have to tell that what you are seeing, who is the frustrating person and who is frustrated. कौन फ्रस्ट्रेटेड है, कौन फ्रस्ट्रेट कर रहा है, या कौन फ्रस्ट्रेट हो रहा है. ओके, यू हैव टू लुक आफ्टर द फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग ऑब्जेक्ट. आपको ये देखना है कि फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग ऑब्जेक्ट क्या है. तो इससे पर्सन की फ्रस्ट्रेशन के बारे में पता चलता है. दैट इज वाई आई सेड टू यू चिल्ड्रन दैट दिस Rosenwing picture frustration study is a projected technique which basically focus become more specific, and it measure that dimension of personality which is a frustration level को ये ज़्यादा चेक कर रहा है. तो in this way these are some of the projected techniques which I had discussed with you in today's video. I told you about projected technique होती क्या है, what are the merits and demerits of this particular technique, what are the different type of projected technique. We discussed about Rocha's in-plot test, thematic apperception test, Rosenberg picture frustration study, and draw a person test, then sentence completion. All these are very good techniques in order to do the assessment of the person's personality. Although out of the 5 techniques, the above 2 techniques, which is Rorschach's in blot test and thematic perception test, are very famous in the field of psychology, and they are very much used also, and they are very much standardized, reliable and authentic also for the assessment of the personality. So we will definitely do the practicals over it when you all come, okay, or I can try to make it on a video also, okay. So just wait and watch until whatever we are studying, just focus on that one. So I just hope you understand the topic with me very well. If you find any doubt, you will ask me in the classroom, children. Thank you so much for carefully observing and listening to me. Thank you.